This is one of my favorite creations. Starts with the base and the lizard's body. Psh, psh. You know the drill, slipping and scoring, then squishing, then brushing. I really wanted to have its tail hanging off some fungi, so that's what I'm doing here. Eye sockets and eyeballs, which you may notice are going to change throughout the video because I'm indecisive. Then I cut open his mouth. Oh, macaroni noodles or arms, you decide. By the way, I do sell my work, and the best way to stay updated is by following me on my Instagram. Toes. Then comes my favorite part, which is adding on all the little mushrooms. Sculpting mushrooms is so meditative and calming. I love it. Then the finishing touches of moss. This part is pretty relaxing too. All done. And there it is. I love this one so much. If you have any more animal suggestions, leave a comment and I may make it.